And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Hope everybody's having a fantastic Friday. Welcome to the stream. Tonight, we're going to be taking a look at the Imperial stickers, why I think they're ready to explode in price, over the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, perhaps. So we will see and go into depth about these stickers and similar stickers, and all of that and more will be answered in today's video. So, let's get started, guys. Do me a favor, hit the like button to show your support and subscribe if this is your first time watching the channel. Let's get on with it real quick before we get started. As always, I want to shout out the Patreon. We will be doing a tier 3 live stream tomorrow. It'll be episode 3 of Grow Your Wealth with CS2 Investing, where we basically once a week go into a Discord call together. We analyze different parts of the market and we make a plan on how we're going to invest. For $5 a month, you can join a private Discord, members-only videos, live streams, full access to all of my investments, CSGO investments, and all of that and more. So if you're interested in any of the perks of the Patreon, link is in the description, and as always, you can also join through YouTube channel memberships. Okay, with that being said, let me get started. So, why did I pick Imperial stickers? Actually, real quick before we get started, let me actually say hello to a few people. How you guys doing? Ronnie, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a great Friday. Max, hey Fano, what's up? Why is 9Z the #1 American team? They're not in RMR. What happened? I mean, they just didn't play very well. How screwed are Paris investors? It's still 50-50. I don't think we're screwed, and it depends on your time horizon. You know what I mean? Like I'm certain if you hold long enough, you'll make profit on Paris, but we'll talk a little bit more in detail about Paris towards the end. And then I'll try to answer some questions at the end, guys, about like VSM and everything. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. We will do a short Q&A at the end. Okay. So I chose Imperial stickers to be the topic of today's live stream because, well, Imperial are actually playing right now. So let me go here and see what's happening. So believe it or not, they're playing literally right now as we speak. Look at that. Imperial is playing NRG. They are leading 6-1 right now. So is this game 1 or is this game 2? This is Swiss round 1. Okay, so that's Swiss round 1. And then they only play 1 match today? I could have swore they would have played more. Interesting. Swiss round 2 #1 starts Saturday. Okay. Either way, over the next couple of days, the North America or the Americas, North and South America, the Americas are going to be competing. And there will be drama. There will be upsets, potentially. So, okay, so why Imperial? Popular Brazilian team. Had many legendary Brazilian players play for. It's a pretty cool looking logo. Now, that is subjective as always. Some people may not like the way it looks, but it is green. And we have a shortage of unique green team stickers. Because, like, think about it. How many green stickers do we have, chat? All right, so let's list some of them, right? We have Imperial. We have Entropic. And we'll discuss, discuss these other stickers and we'll look at them as well. We have Furia, but Furia Antwerp only. What are some other team stickers? I think Sprout was one of them. Non-borderless. Or, sorry, bordered. We also had, well, Sprout also had Boston 2018, which looks nice, but I'm talking about like more modern type teams, more modern majors. So I'm looking at this, and there aren't that many teams, and like Entropic hasn't been performing very well. Furia was only green in Antwerp. If they qualify, they're probably not going to be green in their hollow version. Sprouts is nowhere to be found, and it didn't have any borderless stickers. So Imperial is the only one that was like borderless, besides Entropic, and Entropic was also borderless. So full disclosure, I am heavily invested in Entropic, but I actually really like Imperial right now, and I'll tell you why. I mean, the main reason why they could explode in price over the next couple of days is they are playing right now. And if they get eliminated, that would be considered an upset. And what happens when there are upsets is, well, these stickers, that will lead to the Antwerp Imperial stickers being more valuable and rare. We're gonna have to wait 6 to 8 months before we get another opportunity to get another Imperial sticker in the game. Another sticker that looks like Imperial, that's green like Imperial, that is from Brazil or whatever. It's gonna, like, the next chance that they'll be able to get a new sticker will be in the fall. And there's going to be a shortage. Like I said, there's a shortage of green stickers, of different green team stickers with good fundamentals. So not only will there most likely be an initial spike in price as people try to, you know, take hold and grab as many as they can, but there's also the opportunity with Copenhagen. I actually made a video on this. Copenhagen major stickers get released in a week or two. In a week or two, literally 1 to 2 weeks. This is it, guys. This is crunch time. It's go time. We're going to find out whether or not the next stickers are borderless or not. And I would argue that if in the next couple of weeks, when Copenhagen stickers come out, if they are bordered, a lot of money on the sidelines will get funneled into older borderless majors like Stockholm and Antwerp. And that will also give the green light for Paris investors. Paris stickers will also start rising. Why would they start rising? Because the anxiety and the uncertainty, of whether or not similar stickers will be added, similar identical stickers will be added, is lifted / gone for at least another 8 months, possibly longer. So I'd argue that this is a positive catalyst that potentially could be in our favor. This is certainly a catalyst in the short term that could give us a nice trade opportunity. It doesn't mean it will work. And as always, guys, none of what I say is financial advice. This is just based off of experience. This is based off of me observing the markets, history. Just because something happened before doesn't mean it will happen again necessarily, but in the past, when similar caliber teams like Imperial get knocked out or get upset, there is a chance for a pop. And if you want to play a trade, you buy a couple of these stickers and then you sell accordingly in the short term for a quick pop. This would be your bigger pop. This will take a little bit longer for prices to appreciate. For the Copenhagen stickers, it'll take, you know, there may be initial spike, then it goes down a little bit, but over the long term, this is bullish. Another thing that's bullish about these stickers is that we haven't had an operation in over 2 years. That's a long time in CSGO life history, right? So the fact that it's been so long since we've had an operation is generally means that we're close to a new operation. And it's pretty much confirmed that it's going to happen after the major. Actually, it is confirmed. The operation will come out after this major. The question is, will it be between majors or will it be after the Shanghai major in the fall? I'd argue there's literally a 50% chance it happens in the summer of 2024, and a 50% chance it happens in the winter of 2024/25. So what I'd argue is after the major of Shanghai or after the major of Copenhagen. One of those 2 days or dates or time ranges should have an operation. With an operation comes new skins. We have long... Actually, it's been a year. It's been a year since we got the leak of the M4A1, or yeah, A1S Emerald in the game files. Apparently, last year there was a leak of a bunch of skins that were in the game files of various, you know, new weapons. We didn't know why they were added. But potentially, and again, this is speculation, it's not confirmed, right? I mean, just because something is in the game files doesn't necessarily mean they have to add it into the game. But basically, if they bring us an M4A1S Emerald or Gamma Doppler similar to the Glock, because, you know, last operation we had the Glock 18 Gamma Doppler. Well, maybe in the next operation we get an M4A1S Gamma Doppler, similar to like the Blue Phosphor, just green. I would argue that would be very, very bullish for green stickers. Green stickers like Entropic, green stickers like Imperial. Investors of those types of stickers should see some good return because there's going to be demand for green stickers to be applied on these newer skins, these, you know, higher tier green skins. So that's another positive sign for this sticker. Now, again, you don't have to only go for Imperial, you could go for other teams, but I like Imperial for these 3 reasons that I've outlined. And I also like that it's from Antwerp. It is from an older major, it's not Paris. Paris had a huge supply compared to Antwerp. Antwerp had a huge supply compared to Stockholm. So I like both Stockholm and Antwerp a lot. I also like Paris, I still am invested in Paris, but in this particular, you know, trade, investment, whatever you want to call it, I'm targeting these green type stickers, these green colored stickers. And you don't have to go with the holo. On the Steam market, the holo is going for $22. You can also go for the Imperial glitters. And I would argue glitters are also very nice because they have a higher supply, higher volume, more people can afford them. I don't know about you guys, but I like to make investments on items that are liquid, items that can easily sell, items that have a lot of demand, that a lot of people have buy orders for, that have a lot of interest, right? Exchanging hands quite frequently. So glitters are fine. It is a very nice glitter sticker. It is a borderless glitter sticker. It looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Now, if you don't like the logo, that's fine. You can pick a different green sticker, but I think Imperial, for the reasons listed, you know, popular Brazilian team, many legendary players that have played for it. I actually like the logo, you don't have to agree. Green has a shortage of green stickers. Imperial is borderless, the only borderless Imperial sticker. If they get eliminated, that'll be super huge for the rarity and the value of this particular sticker from Antwerp, whether it's the glitters or holos. I can go on and on, right? Copenhagen coming out bordered would be positive. And then also a new operation with green skins, green colored weapon skins should boost demand for green stickers, and this sticker would be certainly good because demand goes up, has a low supply, recipe for prices to go higher. So hopefully you guys understand my logic, my reasoning. This is why I think that they have the potential to rise. And again, I'm open to your opinions, to your feedback, to your ideas. This is not me saying, like, I'm putting all my money into Imperial stickers, you have to buy. Like, no. This is just purely why I think this team and these stickers have potential to rise. And with that being said, let's go into the chat and answer some questions. See if you guys, what you guys are saying. I'm not betting on green guns. See, I don't, okay, what do you mean by that? Like, there will always be green guns. Like, they're gonna add more green guns. Like, it's not like what? I don't understand. Like, I don't even know what that means. If the operation is after Shanghai, then it'd be full hard to be buying old green stickers with a chance of many new green stickers. Okay, Nico, where are your new green stickers? And again, these are green team stickers, my friend. So, thank you actually for pointing that out. Where are the green team stickers from for Copenhagen? Even for Paris, give me a team that has a logo that's green from Paris or from Copenhagen that has qualified. I'll wait. There is not a single team that is green, flashy, or not flashy, but like literally one color. Teams that historically have a single color, like red, like blue, tend to outperform. Cloud9 only has one color, it's blue. Mouse, only one color, it's red. I mean, like, singular colored stickers, team stickers with good fundamentals, popular organizations, right? Big fan bases. That's what you want to target. And I'm targeting this green sticker. You don't have to target this sticker. You can target the blue sticker. You can target Cloud9 Antwerp. That should work too. But 9 pandas, it has green. That's hilarious. Good, nice joke, dude. 9 pandas, really? A panda that's black and white and has a little bit of a green border around it? I said singular color. This is a singular only green color for their logo. And I mean, like, look at this. You go here and you look at all of these skins and you look for ones that are, you know, are purely green. Like there's an emerald skin, 4x, emerald CZ, 4x, emerald Jormungandr, 4x. You have a headshot AK that's not really green but has little hints of green, 4x. I mean, it's inevitable as the game, even on a blue phosphor, people are putting these green stickers. So like, all I'm saying is that as new skins get added, and especially if like more green skins get added, demand for green stickers is gonna go up. And this item is from Antwerp, which is rarer than Paris, rarer than Copenhagen, a team that may not qualify for the next major. And if it does, no guarantee it's gonna be borderless. I don't know, man. I think that there is a chance for it to pop over the next couple of weeks, and I'd be willing to put some money into it, perhaps. No, you don't have to agree with me. You don't have to do it. I'm not forcing you guys to invest. I'm just giving you guys my thoughts on it. Hey, Fano, paper stickers are good too, or no? Paper stickers from Antwerp should rise as well. They should follow along. Like, listen, if the hollows spike, if the glitters spike, hollows will also follow. Just be mindful that that papers have larger supplies. So I have to double check the quantity that's on the markets, but they should rise accordingly too. I mean, the prices are all relatively speaking, you know, like the market is right. How are you doing today? I'm doing all right, man. It's a Friday. Imperial Rio take. Rio is only good if Copenhagen is borderless. If Copenhagen is borderless, older team, like stickers from Rio, from other teams, or from other majors may be pretty good. But again, it's not confirmed. I want to buy more, like, we need to wait and see what comes out of Copenhagen before we make that decision. All I'm saying is very speculative, and there might be better investments. I'm a contrarian. It's very speculative, and there may be better investments. I'm a contrarian. I'm trying to understand the logic there. I'm a very speculative. Okay, it's very speculative. I mean, I'm a contrarian. Huh. I don't see it. I'm sorry. Like, I don't, like, this is like, what? You're claiming that it's very speculative and you're a contrarian. How does that make sense? Where can I check what teams didn't qualify? hltv.org. I want to buy more Paris capsules and mouse glitters. Yeah, mouse glitters, it depends on several unconfirmed factors. Okay. Okay, that's true. But, okay, alright, listen, and then another thing, okay, so here's the thing, okay, fine. If you don't want to put risk on, I totally get that. I understand. There's still a lot of uncertainty with Copenhagen. They still can qualify, so I totally agree with what you're saying, that it is unconfirmed and blah, blah, blah. I get that. This is just if you want to get in early and, you know, have some risk. But if you don't want to put too much risk, then perhaps what you can do is you can probably wait. Okay, so yeah, option 2 would be to just wait for the Copenhagen stickers, right? Copenhagen stickers to be released. Wait for confirmation that Imperial did or did not qualify, and then when both those things are met, when both conditions are met, perhaps take a look at the stickers, the Imperial stickers. Now again, I'm not telling you what to do, but if you have if you're hesitant, like you say, for stuff that's unconfirmed or there's, you know, still in the air, then option 2 would be the safer thing, and just be patient, be waiting for a little bit. Because here's the thing, there's not a doubt in my mind that these stickers, it doesn't have to be Imperial, it can be any other Antwerp sticker. In like 2-3 years, they will most likely be higher than they are now, higher in price. Will they be super higher in price or only a little bit higher in price? I can't answer that question. All I'm saying is that because of these, you know, these points that I listed, there is a chance for them to go up a lot, but I mean, we don't know how much. So, and that's the beauty of investing. Imperial is winning the first map. That's fine. They still have a long ways to go. I wouldn't go all in on Imperial. And no, Nico, I'm not telling you guys to go all in on Imperial, and I'm not all in on Imperial, just like I did not go all in on Entropic as part of my Stockholm investments. I do have a lot of Entropics, but I also have a lot of MOUs, I have a lot of VP. I'm not telling you guys to go all in on one particular team. I'll be honest with you, like, if Copenhagen comes out and the stickers are bordered, then they look different, or maybe they're not as appealing as, you know, we had all hoped. Listen, I'm probably going to pick up a couple Imperials, a couple Cloud 9s from Antwerp, a couple 9Zs from Antwerp, perhaps, some Stockholm stickers. Probably not going to pick up more Paris just because I already have a lot of them. I'll probably, depending on their price action, maybe I'll offload some of them. I don't know. We'll see. But I like the fact that it's from an older major, you know what I mean? I also like that it is, I don't know if I listed it here, it's from an older major with lower supply than Paris and Copenhagen. Probably. I'm predicting, obviously, I'm predicting that Copenhagen will have a lot of investors, but you never know. So again, this is not like me trying to like pump my investments. Full disclosure, I don't even have any Imperial holos at the moment. I'm just looking at Imperial and I'm thinking to myself, as a short-term trade, this might work. There's a lot of uncertainty, I get that, but I'd be willing to hold on to these stickers for a couple of, months or maybe a year, and I think that we will be in profit. But again, if it's too speculative and too risky for you, that's fine. You could probably wait a little bit longer and then choose whether you want to go into Imperial or whether you want to go into a different team. Maybe you don't like Imperial and you want to go after Cloud9 or a different Antwerp team or Stockholm team or whatever. I like all the more to you. Like also Furia Antwerp is the only green holo Furia sticker. That's another sticker that I really, really like that I may potentially buy once we get the confirmation with Copenhagen, right? So like for example here, they look really good and they are green Furias. So this would be another Antwerp sticker that, it doesn't have to be Imperial. I was just using Imperial as an example since they are playing right now and they are qualifying and they may not qualify. And that's one of my points, one of my bullish thesis, right? Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Smash the goddamn like button, guys. Hey, Fano, I did last week. What are you saying right now? Huh? Imperial winning? Okay, I have 420 stone scales that I bought when they were 78 cents. That's awesome, dude. Operation stickers, deflationary, supply going down. I like it. Just will pick up more capsules just because capsules are safer. Capsules are safer. Okay, I mean, capsules are fine too. Nothing wrong with going to capsules. What do you think about 9Z holos? I like 9Z holos. I've been looking into them. 9Z holos from Antwerp, very good. Thoughts on Rio holos like NQZ? They seem to be heavily undersupplied and they look fantastic. Okay, so let me see here. So you're saying NQZ, right? NQZ, okay. So here's the thing. A, they're pretty expensive. They have low volume, meaning not a lot of people are buying them. Yes, their price is high, but the thing you need to understand is, while the supply may be low, I would argue the demand is also kind of low. Unless you can really prove that there will be a spike in demand for this particular player, I just don't see it. You know what I mean? And which is why I'm targeting team stickers like Imperial. Doesn't have to be Imperial, but like Imperial, because team stickers have the spotlight. Everybody knows about the organizations. The organization's logos are plastered everywhere when players are when teams are competing. It's just more. I would argue that team stickers are safer than autograph stickers, which is why I don't heavily invest in autographs. Like, I bought a couple of autograph stickers from Paris, but not a lot. So this NQZ sticker, while it may, have a low supply and it looks good, it's not very liquid. It's not very popular, I would argue. So, yeah, it may rise in price, but I don't know. It's just, let me look at its chart. That's crazy. I'm surprised it went up that much. $40? What the heck? And then it crashed. It's been slowly going up. Crashed again. I mean, you could say the same thing about team stickers as well. Just if you look closely, these things have very few that are sold. So I'd much rather invest in something that it has way more of them to be sold. Way more of them exchanging hands. As a long term, I mean, if a team disbands or something similar, yeah, teams can disband. Listen, imagine if Tai Lu disbands, or if, I don't know, like any of these teams, if they disband any of these popular org teams, if a player retires, but the player has to be very popular though. Is NQZ very popular? I don't know. In Brazil, maybe he is, but I personally don't know. Imperial won? They actually won. Wow, that's interesting. Okay. I mean, damn, Energy. Who plays for Energy, by the way? Let me look at energy. Brezzy, Daps, OC Fan, Hext. Well, we'll see. We'll see. How many teams are qualifying from Americas, right? Two teams? That was a pretty strong performance, I'm not gonna lie. 13-2, that's pretty good. But again, we still have time. He's also no longer on a team. The thing you need to understand is player autographs are all about popularity. It's a popularity contest. If nobody knows who this guy is and nobody with a lot of money cares about this sticker, it's gonna take a while for the price to meaningfully appreciate. So like, yes, it has a low supply, sure. However, I don't know, I just don't see what causes the demand to go higher. I really just don't. It's not even like a personal bias of mine, like, oh, I hate this sticker, I don't like the way it looks, NQZ, I hate that sticker. No, it's just like, I'm thinking about it, and I'm thinking about, like, as a sticker investor, I'm thinking about, okay, who am I selling my sticker to after I make a profit? Like, to make a profit, I'm selling it to either another investor, or I'm selling it to a crafter. And when I think of people crafting, I think of, like, the people that craft are either diehard Imperial fans, or they are diehard just the color green fans, right? And again, I know I'm using Imperial as an example. You can apply this to any other like team single colored sticker, like a Cloud9 that's blue, right? I mean, they'll go after Cloud9. That's the only borderless Cloud9 sticker in existence so far, right? The Antwerp. So like, I'm just saying, like, with NQZ or any other player for that matter, like, yeah, it's a cool looking sticker, very nice graffiti type-esque design. I just don't know if it's gonna have that demand, because like, I'll be honest with you. Chat, press 1 in the chat if you've heard of this guy, NQZ. You know who he is, you've seen him before, like you actually would craft a sticker, or sorry, craft a skin with this sticker. Like, press 1 if you would, 2 if you wouldn't, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, maybe I don't know. I just don't see it. I'm seeing a lot of 2s, right? So like, it comes down to demand, guys. That's the thing with stickers, it comes down to demand. Like, you don't need to know that this sticker is entropic to look at it and be like, yo, this sticker looks really good on my emerald skin, I'm going to buy it. You don't have to know who plays for this team, you don't have to know if this team is still around, you just see that this sticker is there and you're like, wow, this sticker looks really good. It's a green sticker for the most part, and I'm just using it as an example. Like, you don't have to be a Mouse fan to, you know, craft with Mouse on like red skins, right, for red loadouts. So again, NQZ cool, but that's one of the reasons I don't invest in autographs. It's just they're way too, I would argue they are way too speculative compared to team stickers, because it's a popularity contest. You just don't know what you're gonna get with players. So, you know, one day everybody loves Simple, the other day maybe they don't. One day everybody loves, you know, Rops, the next day, I don't know, maybe they don't like him anymore. So it's a popularity contest. Ben, how you doing, Ben? What's up? Red Bull sticker, yeah, the OG stickers. How much was each Maris Paris Hollow when you invested? I didn't buy too many Mouse Paris Hollows. I primarily bought the glitters, just because they're more unique. But I would argue, how much did I pay? I don't know, like, I think I'm a little down on them. I don't have too many. I have like a handful of them. I think I bought them for an average price of like $10 or something. I'm not sure. 9Z is pink, that's true. Hey Fano, where is the Twitch stream? What Twitch stream? I streamed yesterday. Can you give your opinion about Antwerp Contenders capsule? Is it a good time to invest? Antwerp capsules should be good investments after confirmation of Copenhagen. Once we get confirmation that Copenhagen is bordered, it's different than borderless, they should start rising, in my opinion, in my prediction. Other than being overinvested, thoughts on Paris Challengers? What will help them long term? Copenhagen will help them long term. A new operation will help them long term. Time will help them long term, guys. Every day, thousands of these get unboxed. Thousands of Paris capsules get unboxed every single day. A lot of them, it takes time, guys. You have to understand, it's time. Time is a big factor, new skins is a big factor, and then obviously Copenhagen is a big factor too. So those 3 things are what's causing the price to remain kind of low. What 5 teams do you think will qualify? Wait, 5 teams are qualifying? What? Are there really 5 teams that are gonna qualify from America? Damn, they get 5 spots? Oh shit. Damn. Ooh, I actually didn't know that. I thought it was less. Well, let's see these results. So, okay, so I think Pain has a chance of qualifying. So Pain, Furia. I mean, honestly, like, yeah, Complexity, Furia, Pain, and probably, maybe Imperial or Boss, or, I mean, who plays for Boss? I don't know any of these guys, never mind. Who plays for MIBR? How did they lose? Damn, Drop, Lost, Insani, Exit. Yeah. Who plays for Complexity again? JT, yeah, Elige, yeah, okay, so they should qualify with Elige. Yeah, so my money's on Complexity, Furia, Pain, and then maybe Imperial, or I don't know. I really don't know. So maybe they do qualify. Oh, there's also 5 teams that will qualify. Shit. Who's Red can... Liquid are also playing... Wait, we're... Oh, shit. Liquid. Okay, so Liquid would be the 5th, and then... Yeah. Liquid should qualify too. Red Canids are actually insane. What do you think about Lin Vision? I'm excited for Lin Vision. I can't wait for their sticker. I honestly think they have a really cool sticker. Very similar to Abai Power, just a little bit more room temperature. I think it's refreshing. I like their players. Their player autographs are gonna be hilarious. I'm gonna buy a lot of West Melon autographs just for the memes. Yeah, one of my favorite logos of all time. Me too, Nico. I really like their logo. I will definitely be buying their sticker. It'll be the first Chinese sticker in a while too. Yep, it's going to be very interesting. I'm gonna go heavy into Lin Vision. Me too. What about Saw Team? Yep, Saw Team will have a unique logo as well. I think Saw Team, Lin Vision should have some good logos or some good fundamentals for their stickers. What's your opinion on G2 Hollows? Be specific. Which G2? G2 Antwerp? G2 Paris? Which G2? Are you bullish on Tai Lu for the long term? Yes, I am. I am heavily bullish on Tai Lu. Imagine they disband. Imagine they fail to qualify for Shanghai and then they get fired basically. The org drops their CS team. That would be huge. Their sticker would go astronomical. And here's the thing, I don't even want that to happen, you know. I want them to try to compete. I want them to, you know, play and, you know, be popular, but like, you know, as a rare sticker, as a good-looking sticker with a lot of great fundamentals, I like it. Yeah, it would not be nice for the players, that's true. When new stickers will come out in the game? Nick, did you watch my latest YouTube video? Guys, watch the latest YouTube video if you want to know when the stickers are coming out. They're coming out soon, very, very soon. I have a new YouTube video out about that. Lumku, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Let's see, what other questions do you guys have? Is it worth investing in Mongols stickers? Mongols stickers. So like Paris Mongols? Let's see here. So something like this. I will say their sticker is pretty unique, pretty nice, but it's a little too thin, and I don't know. I mean, if we get more print streams, I think a safer option would be the 9 stickers. You know, like 9 hollow, 9 glitter. I think that would be the better investment, if you ask me, for those types. Whoops, sorry about that. And the reason I say that is because I don't know. It's just. It's a singular color, black and white, I guess. It's very, you know, it's circular, it's glittery. Mongols, it's kind of thin, kind of hard to see on skins. You got to remember, like, stickers are meant to be put on skins. So what I would do is I would compare the two, and I would like see how many 4X crafts of each exists, and if there's more, excuse me, if there's more demand on higher tier skins for 9, I would go with 9. So like if you see more higher tier skins crafted with 9 stickers than Mongols, then go with 9. Go with the one that has more demand, more crafting demand for high tier skins. You want high tier skin demand. It's usually what counts. Are you bullish on Fnatic long term? Yes, I am. They will go up when Mongols wins the major, though. True. You can barely see Mongols. It's good, but just that. I agree. Will Into the Breach stickers rise in price? I think they'll excuse me. I think they'll rise in price after Copenhagen gets announced, and while there is still a little bit more time, you need to give people new red skins to craft these ITB stickers. You know what I mean? Like we need more crafts. We need new skins. We need more of them to be opened, right? How many? Wait, how do you see how many skins are crafted with a sticker? Yeah, you go to a site called FloatDB, and then you search for a sticker. So you do like Mongols Hollow Paris. You put 4 of them here in the search. You click search, and then there you go. There's about 2,200 crafts with Mongols, and then you can inspect it, and you can see the different crafts that have been made. The Mount Fuji crafts are the best, if you ask me. Like, this is just beautiful. It fits, the colors fit perfectly. Yeah, they're very thin, but they do fit nicely. Okay. Let's see here. ITB golds like fire on cobblestone skins. Cobblestone skins are nice. I do like cobblestone. I know it's not a team sticker, but stone scales will go up super. You can craft with them. Listen, discontinued operation stickers are good long-term sticker investments. The problem is they're demand driven. Right now, since we don't have a lot of new skins, there's not a whole lot of demand for them. But in a couple weeks or a couple months, couple years, over time, demand should go higher as new skins get added, as more players come into the game, more skins, more crafts, supply goes even lower. Your stickers like the stone scales should rise. Just understand that they're not as sensitive as like newer major stickers are. Copenhagen is gonna come out, the stone scales isn't gonna like double in value. Meanwhile, Copenhagen comes out, there's a chance that some of the cheaper Paris stickers could double in value. Again, I said chance, we don't know what will happen. I'm a huge crafter. I've got some great Lin Vision crafts lined up. Awesome, Nico. Well, I can't wait to see them, man. Like, maybe we'll do a crafting stream when the Copenhagen stickers come out. We can do maybe like a crafting stream where we can like take a look at different crafts and try to find the best types of crafts with these stickers, and I think that's awesome. 2,200, really few crafts considering how cheap the hollows are. Exactly, that just means there's not a whole lot of demand for them, which is why investing in them is, I don't want to say risky, but you should question how popular they are, right? Is the Stockholm Contenders capsule a good investment right now? It's down 15% this week. If it's down 15%, yeah, you could probably pick some up. Just understand that there is a risk with Copenhagen. So that 15% can go down to 20, 30%, assuming, Copenhagen comes out borderless. So you got to be careful. Is it really bad to invest in papers? There's so many capsules in Paris. It's not bad because they're very cheap, so like a small fluctuation in price means a decent percentage return. The problem is the supply. It has a huge supply. So if you do invest in papers, make sure it's from like a popular team like Mouse or something that has a lot of demand for crafting. That's what I would say. What is the safe and best thing to invest in? I'll be honest with you, the safest thing to invest, I mean, first of all, nothing is 100% safe. Like, everything has risk involved, but in CS, the safest things generally are discontinued cases that no longer drop, weapon cases, right, that have skins inside that you unbox. Those are usually the safest, because they don't come back. Old major sticker capsules, right, that, supply is only going down. They'll never get added into the game, like Cato 14 capsules, Cato 15 capsules, DreamHack capsules, like all those like old capsules. The older you get, the safer, quote unquote, right? And then, I mean, cobblestone packages, they're never coming back with like the old collection of Dragon Lore. So cobblestone souvenir packages, those are super safe. Depends on how safe you want to go. Like, I mean, there's a lot of like discontinued operation skins like the Gungnir, the Dragon Lore, the Desert Hydra, Fade. Those are all like discontinued safe skins, I would argue. Hopefully that makes sense. Viewer passes always make profit. Yeah, just understand that they don't have a lot of liquidity, that you're not going to be able to sell, thousands of them, right? You're going to have to, if you're going to invest in viewer passes, yes, it's a safe-ish investment historically, just by looking at the charts. It's always made you money, but you can't buy hundreds and thousands of them because there's not enough demand. So what happened to Paris capsules? Shouldn't they have gone up already? Yeah, they spiked for a little bit, then they went back down. I've been discussing it for a while on my YouTube channel. I feel like I'm beating a dead horse here. There's a lot of reasons why they didn't appreciate as fast as many people had anticipated. All I can say is, over the next couple of weeks and months, there is still a chance that they rise, so we're just gonna have to wait and see. How do I know if a sticker is borderless or not? Just by looking at it. So I'll show you an example. If you look at Imperial Hollow Antwerp, look at how this looks. So this right here is the Imperial logo. It's a soldier's helmet, I believe. It's a helmet, right? And it has no border. Or it has a border, but it's the border of the logo itself. There's no extra design. Now, if you look at Imperial from Rio Hollow, let me pull it up for you real quick. It has this diamond shape to it, this extra border, this like grass here, this, you know, it's a square, basically a diamond. So it's the initial logo with some extra stuff on it, right? That generally people don't like as crafting, generally. Now, again, are there like exceptions, right? Like old majors, you know, that have borders that look really good, right? Like, for example, Atlanta stickers. They have a really sick looking border. These stickers are heavily used in crafting over the years. Very popular stickers. So, like, that's fine. But in the more modern last couple of years, investors and crafters really prefer, like, just the logos of teams with these borderless stickers. So, hopefully that makes sense. Atlantas are huge. That's the other thing. Having like a big sticker that takes up a lot of area with nice colors, like, yeah, people buy that. Imperial didn't make it to the major. No, they're still in it. They need to win 2 more matches. Stone scales boomed from 78 cents that I bought them to €3.50. I made so much money. Should I sell all 480 now on Skinport? What do you think? I don't think you should sell all of them, but I will take some profit and then funnel that into a new investment, something that can grow faster than the stone scales. Because do the math, like how much did they grow from 78 cents to, you know, to 350, whatever percent that is. I don't think you're going to repeat that from 350, you know what I mean? Like, it's not going to grow up the same way. So I would definitely take profits, maybe not on everything, and put it into something new, something fresh, something better. Hopefully that makes sense. 2 weeks? What do you mean 2 weeks? Stone scales. It rose in 2 weeks? Yeah, so it was $1.65 on Steam, and now it's up to $3. Dang, this thing has been rising like crazy. Why has it been rising? Does anybody know? Ooh. Interesting. I mean, it's a cool sticker. What is it? Is next year the year of the snake or something? Like, why did it suddenly rise over the past, like, few weeks? It almost doubled in price over the past 3 weeks. That's wild. It does look good, I get it, but I guess a lot of... Oh, you know what happened? The latest crafting update. Yes. Interesting. Do I sell some? See, that's tough because they're never gonna add this sticker back. So it is a rare sticker, but you did get a lot of money in the short term. So, I mean, it really comes down to personal preference. If you know, if you ask me, I would certainly take some profit off the table, but I would keep some just in case it keeps rising. But yeah, it's because of the sticker positioning update. You can now cover a lot of areas with it. Oh, that's true. That's true. Yes. Yes, demand for it rose because, yeah, you can fill in holes and gaps for them. That makes sense. Sarah, what's up, dude? How are you doing? I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right, man. Hey, Fano, only the hollow and glitter are going to be worth it. From Paris? I still think papers will be worth it too, but, well, they do have a lot of supply, so it'll be harder, but We'll see. We'll see. Mouse Glitter, very low on price. Good time to buy or no? I like Mouse Glitters. I'm a huge Mouse Glitters fan. I'm invested heavily in Mouse Glitters. Everybody knows that. Yeah, there is opportunity there. However, there is risk there as well. Since Mouse did qualify, chat, if the Copenhagen Glitters, you know, are borderless, that will be a problem. So I am fully aware of the risks. Are you bullish on Fluxo long term? I like Fluxo. It's a cool looking sticker. I am bullish on it, but not as bullish as some other teams. But I do think it can rise as well. Just got to be a little bit more patient. See what happens with Copenhagen. Secret investments that you are only showing the members. Secret investments that I'm only showing the members. All right, I mean, I can share some secret investments that I'm only sharing. Should I do that, chat? Members, what do you guys think? Members, press 1 if I should share a secret investment that I only share with you guys. Press 1 if I should do it. I'll let the members decide. Cause like, I don't know. Cause there are some secret investments that I like to share only with members, but then there's also ones that like, Neven's like, pay up. Do I pay for nothing? Hush, it's a secret. All right, I'll give you a hint. It is an immature craft. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, anyways, make of it what you will, chat. Boss says, Fano, isn't logic for a team that didn't qualify for the majors such as Fnatic or Gaming Legion to rise a lot no matter if the next stickers are bordered or borderless? The problem is, boss, that yes, since Fnatic didn't make it to the major, there won't be another borderless Fnatic sticker next major, so I get that logic, but the reason it's not foolproof and it's not safe is because if they give us borderless stickers again, everything around Fnatic will go down in value because some of those teams did qualify, and it just puts more uncertainty and doubt and fear into like, oh, they're only going to give us borderless stickers from now on. So, you know, next time Fnatic will qualify and they will be borderless. And it will just, no matter what, it will bring the market down for Paris stickers. So like it too will fall. The same thing happened with Mouse Stockholm. Mouse Stockholm, or actually not Mouse Stockholm. Let me see. Was it, hold on. I'm trying to think. Was it Cloud9? I think it was Cloud9. I think Cloud9 is a better example because Cloud9, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think Cloud9 qualified for Paris. They did not. So when Paris came out, this sticker tanked like crazy, even though they did not qualify for Paris, and this sticker was still the only borderless Cloud9 sticker in the game. It still took a huge hit. So it's not foolproof, is what I'm trying to tell you, unfortunately. If you put 5x stone scales on the op scope, you could get a solo D liquid gold scope. Looks really good. I'd have to look at it, Nick. Post it in the Discord. Tag me in the Discord with a screenshot. I'd love to see it. Yeah. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's see, what else? Let's look at the markets real quick. If there's no other questions, let's see what the markets are doing. So, Contenders Capsules chat. I like to do this every day. 300,000! The supply dropped precipitously. It was 320. It was 320 today, literally. Now it's almost sub 300,000. That is a good sign. Chart is looking heavy, or not heavy, looking good. This is good consolidation here. This is a bull flag for anybody that, you know, likes to look at charts. This is really, really good. I'm telling you, if it can break 27 cents, watch out above. Watch out above. But then you have people like Vanya over here listing them. And then you have this guy with 30 buy orders. I'm telling you, man, people are opening these capsules. They're taking them off the shelves. I think prices continue to rise leading up to the next major stickers. That's just what's gonna happen. And then it's the moment of truth. We get the confirmation. Why am I seeing ads? Because we're on YouTube. YouTube is an ad platform. They need to get paid. Mr. Gamer Index, 26 cents. Should be nice, should be nice. Will Antwerp 2022 capsules go up in value? Well, Antwerp 2022, they should. Yes, they should. They have the chance of going up in value. You gotta wait for Copenhagen though. Even with the ad block, come on, Neven, support your favorite streamers, man. You're your favorite content creators. Watch the ads. Ads are free. Let's see here. My ad block stopped working after the YouTube update. I support Steven plenty. This guy, Neven. This guy. Sub with Twitch Prime. KW. Alright, anyways, let's see here. Final thoughts. Anything else that you guys want to talk about? Any other questions? If not, I think this is good. Anubis package is still in the game. Okay. Paris Challengers 25 cents. That's not great. And one last thing I want to point out is, see chat, just because something has a low quantity doesn't necessarily mean that it is going to be the most expensive item in the game. Because, like, look at this. The Paris Challengers capsule has the lowest quantity listed, right? The lowest quantity listed out of the capsules, out of the team capsules, and it's the cheapest one. It's 25 cents. Meanwhile, on the first page, first two pages are the most popular capsules, which have way more supply, quote unquote, right? The quantity, and yet they are trading at higher values. So it's not just the supply, but you know, lower supply and high demand, which is what the contenders want, I'm hoping to achieve. That usually is good, which is why, you know, I'm looking at the contenders, I'm like, when will it go under 300,000? Will it go under 300,000? Because, like, if the supply goes down and there's high demand, that's usually a good sign for prices. VSM Hollow long term. I have a couple of them invested. It's a funky looking sticker. It has a cool dollar sign. It's a very niche based investment. I can't predict what's gonna happen with VSM, just as I can't predict what's gonna happen with Rocks. It's very niche. That's why I don't invest in autographs. It's just way too crazy. It should rise, but who knows how long it's gonna take. I can't think of a reason for it to rise besides time. You know what I mean? Maybe they add a new skin in the future that looks really good with that sticker and that causes price to go up, but it's just gonna be a gradual increase, slow and steady, nothing crazy. Like, it's not gonna have something dramatically increase the price, you know what I mean? Should I trade my Talon knife for something else or keep it? I'd probably keep your Talon knife, unless you want to, like, sell it and then reinvest that money into, like, Antwerps and Stockholms and maybe Copenhagen investments. Up to you, though. You don't have to jump the gun. Talon knives are still good. If they, but honestly, if I were you, I would wait. I would wait to see what happens with Copenhagen, then decide whether to sell. Cloud9 glitter info. Listen, if the next major is bordered, Cloud9 glitters to the moon, baby, to the moon. Liquid lost a half buy. That's crazy. Damn, L Liquid. If Copenhagen borderless, I'm dumping everything. Is it a good idea or should I hold? I think a lot of people will start dumping everything, so may not be a bad idea to dump before everybody else dumps. So I mean, it's just human nature. That's what's gonna happen. What would you prefer between a capsule with higher demand and supply such as mouse capsules and low supply and demand such as Apex? I would still prefer the capsule that has high supply, high demand. The mouse capsule over the Apex capsule, 100%. The problem is nothing is static, so like Apex could see a surge in demand, but I mean, how can I predict that? You know, it's like, I still prefer mouse. I still prefer the mouse capsule. What's that Huntsman knife right there? It looks insane. Yeah, I actually unboxed this knife. This is like the 27th, 29th lowest float. Unboxed. Very nice Doppler. Decent phase 2 pattern. Or, yeah, looks pretty good. Okay. Is every Doppler knife a good investment? I would say yes, but obviously you're not going to compare a Navaja Doppler to a Karambit Doppler. Like, obviously Karambit will be better, so I would say yes, if you can find any Doppler, that's good, but try to target more popular knife types, right? Pain Hollow Paris will go up. You can make sick patterns with the 5XP. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Pain. Isn't it disappointing that Fnatic sticker didn't go up in price that much? It's the only borderless Fnatic sticker since 2014. I agree, that is kind of disappointing. That is true, Zoster. That is true. I did expect a higher jump on Fnatic, but the thing is, Fnatic qualified for so many majors, so there's a ton, and I mean a ton, of them in existence in circulation. Oh shit, that was Oni Pixel Clips. I didn't know that. What's up, dude? How you doing? I'm a big fan of your work, Oni. Does he know, chat? Does he know? Kappa should have been $1,000. Okay. This is pain. Doesn't qualify again. Hey, Fano, you told us not to gamble our profits. Yeah, don't gamble your profits. Hey, Fano, can you give one starter investment? Starter investment. One starter investment. All right, I got you. Depending on how much money you have, a starter investment. I probably will make a video on this, how to get started in CS2 investing, some basic stuff. But I would start with a little bit of cases, and I would say take a look at some of the operation cases like Riptides. Take a look at some of like Shattered Webs, maybe Broken Fangs. Again, don't put all your money into those 3 cases, but that's just something you could start. I would wait for the next operation and put the majority of your money into the new case, the new operation case, but we don't know how long it's going to take, so why not in the meantime just hold some cash into an asset like the old cases, right? So that would be a starter if you don't want to risk too much. Depending on your risk tolerance, a starter investment could be some Copenhagen capsules when they go on sale. Yeah, I mean, apart from that, maybe some discontinued skins. Depending on how much money you have, you can go for higher tier operation skins or lower tier, you know, depending on your budget. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's very nuanced, you know? You have to be more specific. Yeah, but at the Apex capsule, only 2 teams from it are qualified at the moment. It's not that whether they qualify, it's not that it's irrelevant, but it's not the most important thing. It's all about demand. It's all about how popular that team is. And I'm sorry, I love Apex. I'm a huge Apex fan. I invested heavily in Apex. Apex is not as popular as MOUZ. MOUZ is still the superior, popular team. It's just more popular. It's a popularity contest at the end of the day. Should I sell my gut knife freehand? I probably would, and I would reinvest that money into a future asset, whether it's Copenhagen stickers, whether it's Antwerp stickers, Imperial stickers, whether it's MOUZ stickers, Cloud9 Antwerps, over the next few weeks. Doesn't have to be today. You don't have to sell it right now and immediately invest, but over the next couple of weeks, absolutely, I would probably sell it. Okay. Do skin prices drop during majors? Not a lot. I want to buy expensive loadout 500. Should I wait? It won't make a huge difference. You're not going to see a blue phosphor crash in value because of the major. That's just not going to happen. Should I sell my car? Depends. What kind of car is it? How much money is it? And do you need it? Borderless or bordered? Next major most likely is going to be bordered, but that's, you never know. You just never know with Valve. Yeah, if you need the money or if you want to sell it to invest, yeah, but keep in mind that what you invest in can potentially take a while before it rises. That is true. That is true, Gamonix. That is true. Yeah, I mean, I've invested in cases where it has taken me years to turn a profit, years to make a lot of money, right? Like, I remember back in the day when I used to invest in like older cases, right? Like operation cases back then used to take like 1, 2, 3 years. Breakout cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years before they went like meaningfully appreciated in value for me to turn a nice profit. So, you know, you just gotta be patient sometimes. Not everything is gonna spike up like Antwerp did, or spike up like Stockholm did, or bubble up like, you know, what happened last year with the CS2 hype. You know, that doesn't happen every year in CS, right? So be mindful of that, chat. Yeah, Gamma cases were 3 cents forever, and it took a long time for them to simple 10x or simple 100x, like Lil J is saying. Exactly. Is the Emerald Jormungandr a good investment? Yes, long term. It's the only green Desert Eagle skin in the game. I like it a lot from a good operation. Absolutely. Liquid looks to have the win. That's good. W Liquid. Hopefully they qualify. I hope Liquid qualifies. What would you buy with 200 euros right now? At this point in time, what would I buy? I mean, depends on how risky I want to be, right? Like, do I want to take a chance? You know, I really do like Stockholm and Antwerp a lot. I don't know. Thoughts on Movistar sticker? I would probably just buy the capsule. Don't focus on Movistar. It's just not as popular of an organization, not as popular of a sticker when it comes to crafting. It's just not as popular as some of the other teams. Yes, it looks cool. You may like it. That's great. It's just not as popular as MOUZ or any of the other ones that are, you know, attracting more attention. Any collection skins you think that would be good long-term investments? There's tons of them out there. A lot of them are in my inventory. I mean, and they wouldn't, like, honestly, chat, look at my inventory. Like, there wouldn't be a skin in here that I didn't think long-term would rise. Like, I have an Orion. I think long-term it rises. I have a Blaze. I've had for a while. It has since risen. I've had even a Dragon tattoo. Over the next couple of years, it should rise. It is a case skin, though, but, you know, I still like it. Emperor Knight. I have doubled my money on this. Let's see. We got a Fennec Fox. I think it will continue to rise over time. Blue Phosphor. I think it will continue to rise in time. May even double over the next couple of years. You never know. Icarus Fell. I have quadrupled my money on this skin. Actually, more than a little bit more than quadrupled. So, like, there's a lot of skins out there, right? I also have a Prince. Very, very nice skin. Expensive, but very, very nice. So, a knife that is good, because knives keep going up. I'm looking at Talon knives and Ursus knives. They're not as expensive as the first generation knives, but they're not super cheap either. They're somewhere in between. Go for Talon knives, if you ask me. I got a Mouse Hollow Paris yesterday. Should I keep it or sell it? I would probably keep it, but just be mindful that when Copenhagen comes out, there's a chance that it could crash, but there's also a chance it could rise, so you just don't know. And that's the beauty of investing. Like, there is risk involved. Best way to double your money is to fold it and put it back in the pocket. No, the best to double your money. I mean, you could double your money. There's so many ways to double your money, but all of it takes risks. So, what would you buy with 200 euros from the Paris major? From Paris? Probably, like, if I had to, like, you gave me $200, excuse me, you gave me $200 and I had to put it into a Paris item, it would probably be mouse glitters. You know what I mean? Like, listen, I know they qualified, but at the end of the day, even, like, if the stickers are borderless, everything is gonna go down, even the mouse glitters, so, like, it doesn't even matter. But if they aren't borderless, look up above. Like, you guys need to understand, these mouse glitters, they were trading at about $1 in November. So that's 1, 2, 3, that's 3 months ago. They lost 50% in like 3 months. That's crazy. And if the next major, they look different, they look bordered, they aren't as good as the Paris mouse glitters, this thing will, I can easily see it go back to $1. So I like mouse glitters. Obviously not financial advice, there's risk in everything you do, so. Would you invest in a crypto ETF or Bitcoin? Personally, I would invest in Bitcoin. That's what I have been doing, and that's what I do. I really like Bitcoin. But there's nothing wrong with a crypto ETF. You can get started with an ETF, but ultimately it's better to invest in Bitcoin because, you know, I mean, there's fees in both, but like, I still prefer owning the actual asset. CSGO updates are being pushed, okay. Do you think that they're gonna go lower than 52 cents? They could. There's always a chance that they could go lower. Bitcoin has doubled since September. It's been going like crazy. That's called institutional investing. All those big companies like BlackRock and Fidelity buying up tons of Bitcoin, more than are being mined. So yeah, big money is coming in. The thing with Paris was that they keep the capsules so much in the game, especially when they were on sale. It wasn't just that. Like, there was a problem with, like, yes, that was a huge factor. Don't get it twisted. Like, the supply is very high. But also, you know, CS2 being botched, lack of updates, problems with the game, everything in between. Do you think we can see another crash when CS2 is released? Crashes happen. They're healthy. Do I invest in Bitcoin right now? I would not put all of my money into Bitcoin right now. What I would do is I would dollar cost average. And again, not financial advice, it's just what I'm doing. I buy Bitcoin every week. Every week I buy some crypto. Not just Bitcoin, but every week. And it goes up, it goes down. It's very volatile. But if you believe in the technology, believe in the future of blockchain, Bitcoin is something that I would love to own for the next couple of years. And it has appreciated a lot recently, so that's another benefit too, but it is what it is. Okay. Alright, chat. I've been streaming for an hour. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. On your way out, guys, please do me a favor, hit the like button. If I did not answer your question about anything that we discussed in this video, leave a comment. I try my best to respond to all comments. They're all appreciated. and loved as always. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys. Lots of new videos on the way. I'll see you guys, see the members tomorrow for the live stream, tier 3 live stream for members tomorrow, and then I'll probably stream again on Monday for the family here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.